Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Not to be outdone by competitors like the Honda Pilot, Toyota Highlander, and Nissan Pathfinder, all of which offer a rear seat entertainment system, Mazda is bringing the option to the CX-9. Mazda will retrofit any 2016, 2017, and 2018 CX-9 with the entertainment system, and it will also be available on select new models as a port-installed item.The. The entertainment system consists of the two 8-inch LCD monitors. It also comes with one CD/DVD player, two remote controls, and two wireless headphones. There are USB 2.0 and SD card inputs as well as HDMI ports for connecting your Android or iOS devices. Rear seat passengers can play the same or different content simultaneously since video data can come from these multiple sources. The CX-9 hasn't always offered a full set of amenities, but following its 2016 redesign, Mazda has slowly increased its competitiveness among other three-row crossovers. For the 2018 model year, automatic emergency braking became standard on all trims, along with blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. Mazda also brought heated second-row seats, a heated steering wheel, and a windshield wiper de-icer to the Grand Touring trim. The rear seat entertainment system accessory kit is now available with a price tag of $1,995. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.